In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or remove your trusted contact on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had added any trusted contact that can be informed if your chats are security risk or suicidal, and you wish to change the contact or remove the contact, it's pretty simple. Log into your account and click on this account profile, then go to settings. Under settings, go to trusted contact, and here you can see all the added trusted contact that you have. Currently, I have this one, and you can see they are accepted and therefore they are active. However, I'll wish to remove them or even to change my trusted contact. To do this, just click on remove contact, and here confirm that indeed you want to remove the contact. So I'll confirm and click on remove, and now my trusted contact has been removed. Should you want to add a new or a different trusted contact, click on add and then enter their contact details before they can be sent an invitation, and they'll have to accept for them to be your new trusted contact. So that's how you can change or remove your trusted contact on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.